Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Data Platform Women in Tech interview series with the amazing women speakers from the SQLBits conference. This conference is happening between the dates of March 14th to 18th, 2023 at Wales. It's among the best conferences for SQL Server and database related stuff. So check it out if you plan to go. Today's interview is going to be with Gosia Borzecka. She is going to be speaking at this conference on cognitive services extravaganza. And the date and time I've listed there is on Eastern time, since that's how Session provides me the timings, but you may have to verify what the actual timing is if you're planning to be there on site or if you're planning to watch this session remotely. Today's episode sponsor is SQL Taylor Consulting. Joe Fleming donates $20 for every guest we talk to. And he is among the people you may want to look into if you have any needs for remote DBA work. Thank you, Joe, for the sponsorship. All right, let's get started.
Welcome, Gosia. We're so happy to have you here with us here today.
Yes.
Hello.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Gosia Borzecka. Currently, I work at Avanade as an AI engineer. Originally, I'm from Poland. I moved to UK, where I live in the very small town near Nottingham. But it's important one because it's a place where Ada Lovelace is resting place. So if you know Ada, so it's the first programmer. So that's why it's nice to be in that small town where she belonging to.
Yes. So you're working with cognitive services. I know that's like a little piece of the AI puzzle.
Correct.
Can you tell us a little bit about your session?
Yeah, so I will talk about cognitive services. It's how we can apply pre-trained AI to our applications. So if we don't need a bunch of data scientists that can do the stuff for us, we can just use pre-trained AI, and it's very easy. So during the session, I will just show how we can add this, what kind of types of this cognitive services we have. And as well, I will mention this popular now OpenAI that everyone is chatting about.
Oh, yes, we all know about OpenAI. Can you say Chat GPT?
Yes, I will mention this, but it will be more about mentions because I will have only 15 minutes to tell about all cognitive services. So it's not that much time. And as you know, ChatGPT, you can just tell an hour session and it still be not enough.
Just on any other topic is the same way. You could talk about any piece of it. There's just so much to know.
Yeah.
What is the audience you expect to attend? Who are the kind of people who can benefit from attending your class?
So the most will be people who would like to put into application the pre-trained AI. So it's for developers who just will join and get this application. For people who will work close with, for example, data scientists that can get easily the things into application. So the main focus is to how we can use the cognitive services, how we train them some custom models as well, and how to connect them to our apps.
Great. So
it sounds super interesting.
Yeah.
Nothing I know anything about. So I would learn a lot if I came.
Yeah. So would it help beginners like Les or I to attend? Would we be able to understand where you're going with that?
Yes, yes. So this will be more for beginners who never touch cognitive services. So I will start from beginning how you can create the service on Azure, and then how you can connect everything, and yeah, what cognitive services are and what type of we have.
And what kind of problems do you solve with cognitive services?
So the main problem is custom vision. So that's when we use this one.
Okay, and that's when you feed it the images and it learns.
Yeah. Okay. So that's how we're doing it. You just have a bunch of images. You need to manually scan them or put to the application. Then you can just select where exactly they should be. So you can tag them. and then you need to train. And based on, of course, of your credit, you can have better or less good prediction of what they will see on the application, on the prediction.
Very cool. What's the coolest project you've used like AI on, just in general, not specific to your session?
And so currently, I very much love the Azure search, and this where we're adding a lot of cool stuff and easy way to search on the documents, on images, all information that our clients would love to have.
Okay.
So this is most fascinating to me. And as well to Azure search, you can add all cognitive services, and shortly probably also OpenAI if this will go to production.
Wow. Wow, super cool.
Right.
Yeah, it's very cool that you can just connect all of the services. It's only stop your imagination and business problems, of course.
Have you spoken at BITS before?
So this will be my first time that I will speak at SQLBits. I used to be before on this conference. It's very nice, very large, and everyone's speaking that is the greatest conference of all the data. So I'm very happy that I was selected for.
So you've attended BITS before as an attendee, you just never spoke.
Yes, that's
Okay.
What kind of costume are you planning to wear?
Oh, I'm not thinking about this yet.
The whole Dungeons and Dragons theme. Very excited about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to think. I still need to think about this. It's good that I still have a little time.
You do still have a little time. Absolutely.
Yes.
So what type of things do you like to do when you're not doing AI cognitive services?
Outside work or so I just like traveling, seeing new cities. So I'm very excited to come to Wales, especially that they speak a different language, and it's very exciting. I used to be in Cardiff before, so this will be first time for me to Newport. Yeah, I'm very excited to see the city and everything around as well.
I love to travel too, and Wales is on my bucket list. So I'm really excited to get to be coming.
Glad to hear.
Yeah, that will be very nice to have a bunch of tech people in one place. And finally, after COVID, meet all of them in face-to-face.
Yes, I can't wait to be back in person and see everybody and do the fun conference activities. I think there's a couple of parties, right? Or a game night and a party. There seems to be a lot of extra activities that I'm looking forward to.
Yeah, and I'm very excited. Yeah.
What's the thing that you're looking forward to the most at BITS?
I think people, that's what I miss the most, because during the COVID, you could meet a lot of people online, you have a lot of sessions, you can share the knowledge, but the most you miss is this interaction, especially after session. When you deliver some session, you have this interaction with people, what I miss the most. So, talk about your session, or talk about other people's sessions. And yeah, I think that's what I'm looking forward.
Good. Yes, me too. And I can't wait to talk with you in person.
Yeah, it will be very nice to meet you face to face.
Yes, indeed. Anything else you'd like to share with us?
I don't know. I think, everyone who will come to SQLBits will be very happy, and it will be super extra event.
I think so too.
I'm sure.
But I just can't wait.
I know, it's like, what, 6 weeks, maybe less? So exciting.
Very exciting.
Well, I can't wait to see you there. We'll have to talk some more.
Yes, we will, for sure. Thank you very
Yes.
much for inviting me.
Absolutely. Thanks for coming.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.